Hello, my name is Colton, and welcome back to the Not Your Average Tech Nerd channel. And today, I'm going to be showing you how you can stream with two PCs if you don't have a capture card. So, I've been having this problem recently where I don't have a capture card and I want to stream, but I have two PCs. Well, what do? You download this thing called OBS NDI. Basically, what it allows you to do is send your screen over to a separate computer wirelessly to stream and encode it, and I'm going to show you how to set it up. So, I'll have a link down in the description to the download page for OBS NDI. You'll click right here and install it, and after you set it up, you're going to open up OBS on the computer that you're playing games on, go to Tools, and type in NDI Output Settings. You'll type in the name of your PC, press OK, and that's all you have to do. After you've done that, you'll go over to your second PC and use whatever type of OBS you want to. It doesn't matter what version of OBS as long as it's a version of OBS for the PC that you want to encode on. And when you're ready to encode, you're going to want to add a source screen. And after downloading NDI on the second computer also, you can go to NDI source, add the source, and you're going to want to, once you add the NDI source, you're going to want to type in the exact name of the PC, the exact name that you gave it on the other PC. And after you've done that, you're going to want to set the bandwidth to high and press done. And you should see the screen from your first PC pop up on the second one, as you can see here. And that's all. If you want to set up separate screens and stuff, you can do that on the first PC. Say if I want to add a separate screen, I'll name it something. Say I want to, here. Say I want to add a separate screen, like I want to add my browser. I can do that too. And you see, this will pop up on the other computer too. And when I do this, you'll see it swap back and forth without me having to switch screens on this computer. Now, I hope that helped you. And, you know, recently, people have been watching our videos, and I think that's really interesting. So, if you want to see me make more content and tutorials and stuff, I would like it if you could subscribe, like, and share my videos, and I would be happy to make more tutorials like this. I hope this helped you, and have a good day.